Welcome back, kids. I welcome you in my online logo class. We have completed challenge 6. It is our challenge number 7. Here we need to do use the repeat command to draw a pentagon. Okay, as you know, pentagon has 5 sides. Pent means 5 and gon means side. A shape which has 5 sides, it is called pentagon. It is a closed figure. But how you need to draw? You need to use repeat command. But you need 2 things about the pentagon. It has 5 sides. But what is the angle between 2 sides? You don't know. We need to calculate it. So I calculate in front of you. Okay. This is our calculator. You know, one complete angle is 360 degree. This is 360. Okay. How many sides are there in pentagon? 5 sides. So you need to divide it by 5. Okay. What do you get? 72. So each angle has 72 degree angle. Okay. Now we need to write the command. Repeat. How many sides are there? 5 sides are there. FD. We take 10 steps. Okay. And RD 72. Close the bracket and then go. Our pentagon is complete. So students, what you need to do? Use a repeat command and draw some more pentagon, but you need to change side. You can take side 5, 10, 15 and whatever you want, but angle you cannot change. 72 degree is fixed for pentagon. So I hope all of you will do the homework in your mobile phone or laptop, but whatever you have. Okay, so you need to wait for our next challenge. Okay, you will get the notification for the video whenever I upload next challenge. So you need to subscribe the channel so that you can get the notification, and like the video and share the video with your friends so that they can also learn online logo, and you can share knowledge to each other. Because if one student faces the problem and he is better in logic, he can share with you and you can help to each other, and you can learn easily and you can learn more. Thank you very much for watching my video.